Alright guys, here's a example of a relay hooked to a wall outlet that's going to be controlled by an Arduino Uno. Mr. Jaquel Curry designed the program as well as the wiring diagram, and I wired everything up here to show it working. So we have a power strip here, and it's wired and connected to a relay which is running on the Arduino board, and connected to the power strip is an extension cord that goes up. And I've been meaning to take down my Christmas decorations, but since I haven't, I figured I would do a test run of this Arduino. So let's see if it works. The program should turn the lights off and on, and the Arduino has power. The relay is getting a signal, and the lights are turning on and off.